Hey, what's up guys? I wanted to bring this video to tell you how I got approved to sell on Merch by Amazon in just 2 weeks. So actually, I just got my approval letter and you guys can pretty much see it right here. My request has been accepted. And what I love so much about Merch by Amazon before I get into this is just the fact that it's totally free to start. All you have to do is sign up, and then when you upload designs, Amazon is just going to list them on their website, and when they sell, you'll make a $5 to $6 royalty on a $20 shirt, and that's basically about it. Amazon will print the design on the shirt, ship it out to the customers, and it's basically you just making passive income, which is what I like to do. So I'm actually going to link up above the actual video where I show you step by step the words I put in and basically give you the template that you can pretty much base your whole thing off of to get approved to sell on Merch by Amazon. And kind of just wanted to make this video to tell about that, and also what I'm going to be doing next for the business now that I've got registered. So like I said though, do go check out that video as soon as you can if you want to see the step-by-step video on how I actually got approved, because I'm not going to remake that whole thing for this video right now. But the next steps is going to be to go find my graphic designers and actually outsource a lot of this work that I'm not an expert at creating designs, of course. I'm going to outsource it to people on Fiverr. I'm going to link that down below. You can go find people on Fiverr or Upwork, and you're going to pay them like 50 bucks and they'll give you 10 designs, and you just take those designs, submit them into Amazon, and they're going to make those shirts for you. And if you sell 10 shirts, you're going to make all your money back, and then those royalties are just going to keep on flowing in for you guys. So I highly recommend you start Merch by Amazon if you're already doing FBA. It's really easy. It just kind of sets you into another stream of passive income, and I think that's great for everybody. And especially with the low risk factor, it's going to help you even if you haven't started doing any online business yet. It's going to help you kind of just get a feel for what it's like to start working online and creating a passive income, whether you have a full-time job now or you're just, working in school or anything like that. So I hope this video kind of helped you guys out. Really, the premise was just to say, yo, I got it, I'm approved, and you guys should go check out the video I mentioned before for the actual tutorial on how to view the whole thing. So Merch by Amazon is going to be really cool. So with that said, I want to conclude with one last announcement, and it's really important for all you guys subscribed to my channel and newcomers that do want to get in the communication forums with us. So please go check out the Discord chat down below. It's so much better that I've found than a Facebook group to communicate in. It's really, really prime time awesome, and I think you guys should join that. It's also a better place for maybe swapping reviews, because if you're trying to talk to people on Facebook, Amazon and Facebook have partnerships. Facebook shares that data to Amazon, and Amazon will know if you're in a relationship with them, and they won't allow you to swap reviews. So in a Discord chat, it's way more low-key. It's not bought out by any big crazy company yet. So I recommend we talk in there, and it's going to be a lot kind of safer as well if you want to do any kind of review swapping or just communicating with other like-minded people about FBA in general or Merch by Amazon. So that's going to be about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.